Hi, this is Ezra with Hot Water Productions, and today we're going to be talking about using test strips to test the chlorine content in your hot tub. So typically people want to test their water a minimum of once a week. If your water is looking good, smells good, feels good on your skin, I wouldn't worry about it for more frequently than a week, but at least once a week, pop the test strip in there, see what it's looking like, and we're going to go into that now. So there's many different ways to test the water in your spa for pH, alkalinity, hardness, and chlorine. But today we're going to be looking specifically at test strips, as it's, in my opinion, the most readily available way of doing it and also the cheapest. So first thing you do, super easy, open up your test strips, grab yourself a strip, go ahead and give it a dip in the hot tub. And on this bottle that you have, almost all bottles will have this. There's many different brands. This is just the brand that I have. This is by the same manufacturer as we sell. You'll have a little gauge on the side that'll show you exactly what the level of chlorine in the water is. And so you just take your strip, match it up. And as you can see on this one, it's pretty darn close. I'd say it's just about perfect. So we don't have to do anything with this one, but if you're seeing it and it's down here in this kind of white or very, very, very light pink, you may want to look at adding just a little bit of chlorine, or if you're using the salt system, turning your output level up on that. On the other hand, if your test strip is showing bright, bright purple all the way to the far right there, you're going to want to either, if you're using the salt system, turn it all the way off. I would just say turn your salt system off. Or if you're not, you're just using a granular chlorine, discontinue use of chlorine until that comes back down to a normal range, and then maybe lower the amount that you've been putting in after use. And I forgot to say this in this last bit, but since we've been specifically talking about chlorine, of course you can also use bromine as well, and same process applies for that. If you're looking at that test strip bottle, that upper one, up above is your bromine level, and the one just below that is going to be your chlorine. If you're having a hard time deciphering your test strip and you want a little bit more guidance, cool dealers like us have a fancy digital water test station at our shop that'll actually give us a readout on our computer of exactly what's going on with your water, and we'd be happy to kind of line you out with what chemicals you might need, what you need to do. So the reason why testing your water for chlorine specifically is very important is A, just safety. You can get diseases and things from dirty water. You don't want that. And also, on the other hand, if you have too much chlorine in the water, it's going to cause rashes, skin irritation, dryness. Specifically in younger children, it can definitely cause rashes and things like that. So if you want you, your family, your guests at your home to be comfortable in the hot tub, make sure your chlorine is in that right level so that everybody can enjoy the hot tub. Thanks for watching our video on how to test the chlorine content in your hot tub with a test strip. If you have any questions about using your test strip, please feel free to leave it in the comments below. Happy to help you out with any questions you have. And as always, please like and subscribe and watch the other videos that we've got if you like our content.